Flat.
Ah, okay. Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring. Welcome to a very cool video because I'm gonna get probably Sub7UP vibes out of this Lupo GTI. Oh, that belongs to Clayton. Hey.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Yes, good, thanks. How are
Good.
you?
Yeah, thank you. With that, and he's kind enough to let me drive it, so which is like gets me even more excited. But while we're still outside, let's take a look at the car, talk about the mods. So first of all, it's slightly modified underneath the bonnet.
Yes, it's still the standard 1.6 16 valve, but had headwork done, port and polished, cams, manifold, decal and that sort of stuff.
So stock it's running
127 horsepower.
And now
the last dyno that went on made 169 horsepower.
Yeah,
so.
169.9 I heard.
0.9, yes.
Yeah, that's very important.
Quite the 170.
Almost 170. Is that a catalytic converter? So just air filter or what is it?
Yeah, air filter in there.
Yeah.
Shout out to my mate Ed, that's Sprogly Motorsport. He supplied that. Good bit of kit.
Nice.
Very good, yeah. Best thing on the market for these really, so.
Yeah, no, it looks clean and nice.
Yeah.
Just
made 10 horsepower more than another one on a same dyno.
Okay.
So
that's, you don't hear that often.
No, you don't, but
yeah,
so on the same day as well, so like
cool.
Yeah.
And then more importantly, of course, power is great, but for the track it's more important what's actually more underneath and on the sides.
Yeah.
Different brake calipers?
Yes, Wilwood 4-piston calipers, Charoudin DS 1.11 pads with Brembo high carbon discs, KWV2 suspension.
Okay, nice.
Bushed, all new bushes everywhere.
OZ Superleggeras.
Superleggeras, yeah.
Nanking Air 1 tires.
Nanking Air 1s, yep.
195 50/15.
Yeah, can't go any wider unfortunately.
No, also don't need to.
Yeah.
Looks pretty low.
Yeah.
So hopefully it will not scrape.
No, it hasn't with me yet in any way. Maybe with both of us, I'm not sure. But,
yeah, yeah. Center pipe is stock, I think, on this car. Yeah,
that's full,
nice.
Full Carmrade system that is, recently put on. Sounds good, but a little bit loud, perhaps.
Cool.
But...
Well, let's see. I'm excited. And the harness bar in the back. So
yeah, that's a harness bar. That's made by Blocks. Thought about doing a cage, but sort of didn't want to make it too stiff for the roads. It's already short wheelbase, quite stiff.
Yeah.
I didn't want to make it unpractical. So
pole positions.
Pole positions.
Different wheel, short harnesses.
Yeah.
The casual bits, very familiar.
Yeah.
They work, so that's good.
Yeah.
All right, let's hop in. Oh, a short shifter,
yeah,
huh?
Cooler work short shifter.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's
from Joe.
Yeah, from Joe Achilles. There you go. So.
Is this
yeah.
Ah. Hi. Joe, you need to get me one of those. Honestly, what the hell, man. Right, let's hop in.
Yes,
do a lap.
Go for it.
Gonna do some modifications here. Take that one out, and then we have a bit more control. Because it's only important that the thumb is being held in one place. This is not that interesting.
Yeah.
So, but it gives me more control over the steering wheel.
Clutch is really light as well, so that might take getting used to.
Okay.
It's got a lightweight flywheel in it as well, so
I can feel that.
Yeah, revs really quickly.
Nice.
Yeah, it's been a working process. I mean, I've had it 8 years now, nearly 9 years. So
oh wow.
Yeah, a lot of time and effort gone into it. Different stages, you know, like upgrading bits and pieces over time. And I've always wanted to stick with the original engine just because I like naturally aspirated.
Of course.
Yeah, quite revvy.
Because what are like the usual modifications that people would do to these cars? Like
most people just, well, not most people, but a lot of people just put the 1.8 turbo in them.
Okay, you know? So from a Mark IV? Or
Mark IV, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, but then they just make too much power and they can't deal with it. So
yeah, because they're not that reliable, the 1.8, I think.
No, they're a bit temperamental.
Yeah.
It's also got a Quaife LSD in it.
Ooh, that's always good.
Yeah. That was one of the best changes I did to the car.
Yeah. That's what a lot of people say. It's one of the most overlooked
because of
components, because you don't see it.
No.
And you can only feel it actually when you know that you need it.
Yep, exactly that, yeah.
And most people obviously go for power first, then brakes, which you should be doing the other way around.
Yeah.
But
the whole car was set up first before any power came really.
That's good.
It slowly changed over the time, you know.
The guy next to us full vibing with the music, elbow out of the window.
Living the dream. That's that flywheel that takes getting used to.
At least we have power windows without cage.
Yeah, exactly.
Hi. I'm gonna put this straight into my pocket because I already lost it in many countries. The UK is not on the list yet, but I have no intention of making it.
Revs to 7,000 as well.
Okay, nice. So like full on red line.
Yeah, full on red line.
Do we have aircon?
No, unfortunately not. I guess a factory option, and I didn't have a big cars. I would like it.
Right, let's see. Gives me a bit of Clio vibes.
Yeah, not Clio, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Car behind.
Can't left foot brake. No.
No.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. I know, that's a fucking pain.
Oh man.
I know. Yeah. Absolute pain. Cuts the power completely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Those are proper Sub7UP vibes.
Yeah. I'm going to take it back to the tuner and see if he can sort it.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. Yeah. Still need to get a bit of temperature.
Yeah. Yeah, you can run all the curbs, it loves it.
Yeah.
That's alright. Tate's getting used
That
to
was
it.
neutral.
Oh.
Don't worry.
That's alright.
biker before the yellow, so
definitely.
we'll have to deal with that afterwards. Is it still or again? Because it was... No, I think it's again.
Okay.
I guess Foxhole is the corner of the day.
Yeah, must be.
It's nice. I like the over, like the symphony of the engine is the best part.
Yeah, it sounds lovely, doesn't it?
It's really good. The suspension feels a bit soft though.
It's not on full stiff yet.
Yeah.
I can stiffen it up. Yeah.
But also because like when you go on the brakes, there's a bit of body roll. So it could be used to your advantage, obviously.
Yes.
You can be a bit tail happy.
Yeah, that's why I've left it a bit soft.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
I was like, why is it?
It's not that slow.
Yeah.
That's how you get used to. that's fourth again.
No! They really get used to that. Being too well, better too high than too low.
Yes, definitely, yeah. I have done it flat. I would like to see my face in that video.
I'm not completely crippled. I still can do something.
Yeah. Awesome. Little rub on the carousel.
Yeah. once you get
yeah, you can, yeah. So I had the car all set up and corner weighted and had the rear axle shimmed last year, so it made it much more controllable. So
Okay.
when that used to happen, I used to just snap really quickly.
Oh yeah.
So that's helped a lot. So,
cool. No, that was very nice, very interesting.
yeah, it's something different for your channel.
Yeah, dude, it's amazing. Like I said, the Clio RS vibes, but it's not another Clio.
No,
you know?
it's not. No,
and that's what's
exactly.
what's really cool about it.
Yeah, that's why I've got it, because
Yeah.
I could easily go buy a Clio and have a bit better chassis, but everyone has them.
Yeah.
So, and this on UK tracks, like, I sit on Clios asses everywhere.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, because there's not much horsepower difference.
no,
like,
no, the power to weight ratio is very similar. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is 900 kilos.
Okay.
So Clio is about a ton, most of them. So a bit lighter. Yeah, that was good fun. It's really weird to be a passenger in your own car, like.
Yeah.
Really weird. The brakes feel so sharp, like as a passenger.
I didn't use them fully because that's what I said. I did it obviously in through Schwedenkreuz.
Yes. Yeah.
Then I felt the back end like already like lifting.
Yeah,
and like okay, I'm not gonna go too crazy on it because you can obviously use it to your advantage.
Yes.
But this is
not the place to do it. No.
Exactly, not the time to experiment with, especially with other people's cars.
Yeah, especially when you don't know the car that well.
Yeah. So
but you drove that very well because you don't know the car.
And also right-hand drive.
Yeah.
I mean, I only missed from the second to fourth
twice.
Yeah. So I think it's okay.
Yeah. Easily done with that. You know.
It's better too high than too low.
Exactly. Yeah. The money shift.
Oh, and I had one time I was in neutral and I could have.
Yeah.
But
that's alright.
Yeah. So. Woohoo.
Yeah. That was a very good save.
Yeah, just keep it flat because if you would have, I would have lifted.
Yeah,
then it was.
I nearly had a big moment last year at YouTube Corner.
Okay.
Car understeered, and I then went back across the track once I corrected it, and I just kept my foot pinned, and I went down the hill sideways over the curb and went up on two wheels.
Yeah.
And that was a scary moment, but.
Wow. There is a check engine light. Was it there before?
Yeah, that was there before. Yeah,
okay,
yeah. That's just a decal. Yeah, you haven't broke nothing. I'm not going to say it. That's yet to break at the Nürburgring.
And I hope that actually has recorded. So let's try switching up the GoPros.
Yeah.